how does the AI grant writing service really tailor a grant to one specific, like for example, for a musician is so much different than a not-for-profit organization.
Right.
So how is the service tailors grants for those individuals or for those not-for-profits?
Okay, so the technology we use is able to tailor grants by learning about specific grants. So the technology learns about the specific grant. It learns about the funder. It learns about successful past recipients. It learns about the motivations behind the grant. It really goes into the depths of the grant and comes out with an understanding that cannot be superseded by an individual. Like, you could spend hundreds of hours reading about a specific grant, but you would not know as much about that grant as our technology. So once the technology knows about that grant, if a client comes to the table, the technology also learns about that client. It learns everything about that client's organization, their goals, missions, the vision, what they've done in the past, what they haven't done, what they hope to do. It takes everything and it brings those two things together. And then it is able to produce in an output an application that reflects perfectly the client and the funder's requirements. A virtually error-free, perfect application that you are able to submit knowing that it will hit all of the qualifiers that have been presented by the funder. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants and let's see what we can do for you.